আপনি শক্তি বিকাশকা স্থিতি tarasana. Next, your both hands should be touching your body. Next, hold your finger and clench up your right hand, fold elbow position, then jerking this position 20 times, one by one hands. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Then relax your hands. Then same position, hold your finger, then fold with jerking your elbow, your hand jerking, then both hands continuously 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, relax your hands. Okay, finish. তখনই শক্তি বিকাশকা